the strongness and beautifulness of nature, the universal balance, the braveness of soul for adventure, the story of threads of life. Welcome a piece of heaven in West Java. Time when the dawn comes, the God created is very amazing and beautiful heaven. Mountains they stand firmly and majestically with the green of nature's rock. A beautiful and wet valley spread with Andel's natural world. The expanse of the ocean with million birds decorated half of beauty nature. It is the province of West Java, which is located in the western part of the island of Java. Its territory is bordered by Laut Jawa in the north, Central Java in the east, Samudra Hindia the south, and Banten and DKI Jakarta in the west. The north coast area is lowland, which is part of the mountain range that stretches from west to east of Java Island. The highest point is Mount Jeremiah, which is in the southwest of Cirebon city. The West Java province is a place of the lost paradise. The angels of paradise with its beauty nature. So, enchanting and exciting so we can enjoy it by every people who see it. by the power of God have made West Java be like a paradise on earth for these creatures. Because of the we should protect and preserve the beautifulness of paradise for the next generation. Take care of us, protect us, and make us part of your breath of life. Let's adventure to the West Java province, and you will find a page of the lost paradise.